Hi, do you need help with comic draw? Let me help you. My name's Adam. It's Thursday, October 17th, 2024. 9:37 p.m. One of the things that has helped me immensely with comic draw is creating a character library. This would be called an asset library if it was a video game. If we were making video games. A whole bunch of characters that you've drawn in their own little library. And you can quickly insert them, in this case, by just, and afterwards you can change the expressions easily, into your comic. It makes things go a lot faster. You should probably consider creating one of these. It's like here's some women. Oh, there's a guy there, a couple of guys there at the bottom. Look at all these little characters. Sometimes you want to draw. Sometimes there's different styles. Right? Some of these are drawn on different days. So you can see that I'm in different moods. Pardon me, or drawing different styles. Look up there in the top right. Just a face. There's nothing around the face. That's kind of fun. Because that could be a person. Right? Or if you add another layer. Oops. Just blank layer. There we go. That can be a banana. Right? That could be a tennis racket. Right? Could be a mirror on a wall. Maybe it's a cabinet. So you've already got these built in. And then it's just a matter of changing them and adapting them and then cutting them and pasting them. Here's some inspiration. You just grab something and plop it on in. I don't know what is wrong with that guy in the top left. You see that pencil? I just drew the pencil today when I was at a restaurant. And just cut it and paste it. So, like, see that little fella down there in the shirt here? You can just grab it and then copy it. I'm in an electronics class. It's my notebook. If I want to, I could just paste this image I drew into here. Look at that. I didn't have that in that comic before. Now I do. Just because I had the character already saved in a comic library. Character library, rather. Let's see how many are in this library. Oh boy, there's a lot. So we just grab a character from here. There's some scary looking ladies. But when you feel like drawing, you just doodle away and draw away. And then cartoon noses. Just grab some of these. Copy. Do-do-do. This is a simulator we used in class one day. Paste. There we go. See? Ta-da! I recommend having a character library. I hope that helps.